I'm Allison Croft at InVeris Training Solutions booth this year at SHOT Show. Riley Williams joining me now to talk a little bit more about that. Thanks for talking with us.
Allison, absolutely. Thank you for coming.
So what do you have new this year?
So this year we brought our XWT target retrieval system. It's a wireless system. There's many like it in the industry, but it really is one of a kind, right? And the way that it operates, no cables. Our track system is it's proprietary, right? It's not like anything you're going to see with any of our competitors. We feel like it really sets the bar, right? We have our wireless retrieval system. We have our stalls here.
And then people can come and check out right here on the floor.
Oh, absolutely. They can come out here. They can get hands on the product. They can use our. They can control the actual retrieval system, if that makes sense. Come on in, run it, turn the lights on. Everybody loves the lights, so they like the police lights. It's a lot of fun.
It's good to be able to check it out in person.
Exactly. Yeah, there's a redeeming factor when it comes to getting your hands on a product, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you can see it on TV, you can see it on the internet, but once you're able to actually look at it, get hands on, it's a game changer. It really is.
And you have virtual reality here as well.
Yeah, absolutely, Allison. So we have a couple different virtual reality options. There's some that we haven't brought. I don't know if they want me to talk about those, but we'll. For now, we can talk kind of at a high level about those. The virtual reality, it's great because right now in today's day and age, virtual reality is going to change the way that law enforcement trains. You can sit there, you can have the whole system for your department. You can do decisions, tactics. You can work on de-escalation, amongst other things. But that's a big thing in today's world. There's a lot of uncertainty with police and the way that they train, right? Because there's not a whole lot of de-escalation options as far as training goes. We have a couple options that really help to increase the level of training that our officers are receiving in a safer and more effective manner than ever before.
Very cool. Well, great. Thank you for talking about it, Riley. I appreciate it.
Absolutely, guys. Thank you so much.